This is financial advisor Patrick Monroe talking about how to make sure a company is legitimate. One of the main ways in America to do this is to contact the Better Business Bureau, the BBB. Any company that you choose to do business with should be a member in good standing of the Better Business Bureau. In your particular town, they're in the telephone book, the Better Business Bureau, and all you would do is call that bureau and mention you are a consumer thinking about doing business with this company. If the company is legitimate, it will have a rating A or A plus, in fact. I would encourage you to work with a company that is A or A plus. If the company has been reported negatively, however, they will have a negative report on the Better Business Bureau, and you want to stay away from that company. It's not legitimate if that's the case. Also, you can do your due diligence and talk to references of any company that has been provided to you. And if these references seek out in a corrective way, then consider doing business with them. This is Patrick Monroe on how to know whether a company is legitimate.